That's a big beaver too. Holy crap. Let's see if we can get him on camera. First Trucks and Water exclusive beaver. Hi there. It's okay. Look, just a beaver. Look how big he is. I've never seen one in the wild, only in zoos. Building himself a little house. So here in the South, especially if you live in a farm, like a little tiny like farming town, when you get a new gas station or something, you have to go and visit it to see what it's like. So that's what I'm currently doing right now. I'm gonna go to this gas station and see what it's all about. Speedway with a cafe. Very fresh, very new. All I'm trying to do is go to the parking space, dude. Went into the Speedway. Very nice. Of course, it's brand new, so it's very clean. Got a good selection of stuff. So it might be one of my new favorite spots now. I mean, who knows? The more I get into adulthood, and what I mean by that is like, you know, you have to do adult things, the more I realize how much time you really don't have in a week or in a day to get everything done. I mean, it's absolutely kind of crazy right now. And I don't even have my own house right now. And that is something I'm looking to purchase the next probably 2 to 3 years to get my own house and stuff. That way I can, you know, set it up to the way I want it and whatnot like that. But yeah, it's just kind of weird, you know. Like a lot of y'all, comment down below if any of you are like my age, about 20, 22, in college, you know, trying to get your life together and stuff. Because the more I get in adulthood, the more time I just don't have, and the lot less sleep I get due to it. But you know, you gotta keep pushing through if you want to be successful in life. Whipping the Camry, guys. Whipping the Camry right now because I have the truck at home, about to do some stuff to it. Didn't feel like really taking it back out when my spot is in the back so I can work on it. So I'm whipping the Camry right now, and you know, that Camry life, bruh. And it's got the title shifts, shifting the third. Whoa, that guy's really getting on. Drop the hammer, boys. Shift fourth gear right there. Yeah, don't mess with the thunder. Oh, those rollers. And that's how you do an interstate roller, people. Isn't that right, babe?
Yeah.
She has no idea. We just got done trimming up my truck. Like I told you before in previous videos, it would rub at full crank. So what me and my dad did, he helped me out, was we trimmed down this part right here, the bumper, and this little bit of the bumper right here. So this way the wheel doesn't rub at all on this side. And if you go over here, we trimmed down this part right here, and then this part right in here. So this one doesn't rub at all either. So now at full crank, I don't have to worry about rubbing, scrubbing, or anything like that. And these are 32-inch tall tires, they're not a 33. So you do have to trim a little bit with these wheels and tires. But it's nothing like, if you just glance by, walk by the truck and just glanced at it, you would not notice it unless you really walked up to it and like looked at it, which is what I like about it. So special thanks to my dad for helping me out with that. So right now, probably gonna run by the spray off station just kind of get the truck washed off a little bit. Of course, the back end looks a lot better. But yeah. So if you haven't seen the video on this mod right here, it's not done yet. I gotta do some like paint thinning and stuff like that. Hit me like tire will be popping up right now on that, guys. But for right now, I'm gonna head to Walmart, get some stuff, and then got the truck washed off. There's so many bugs just plastered on the front of my truck thanks to the warm weather. Like, I'd rather have bugs than salt and grime though, but good lord. So we go from salt and grime to bugs, but hey, you know, luck of the draw, I guess. Yep, it's a whole lot better now though. It's summertime now, guys, so we're gonna go kayaking for the first time this year. Got the kayaks, the fishing poles. Let's go. So guys, we're out in the water right now. We're out on this. Freaking hell. So I'm gonna sit here, do some casting. So far we have caught nothing. Nathan, you felt anything?
Nope.
Okay. We're just seeing, we saw some bass jumps, we switched over to some bass lures. We are not pro fishermen, so whoever in the comments is a pro fisherman and want to give us some tips, let me know. We just kind of do this for funsies, but it'd be nice to catch some fish. What? Yeah. See here, let's cast over next to the log and maybe we can get some action. There we go. See here. I thought I felt something tug on my line right over here. Right in this little alcove. See here. Nathan got a bite on his line, but the fish jumped off. So we're in prime territory, I think. I don't know. I'm not a pro fisherman. back in the truck, guys. We didn't catch anything, unfortunately. Nate got a couple grabs. I got one or two. Then my fish rod messed up. I couldn't really mess on the kayak, so I thought I was gonna flip over. But we're gonna start heading back home and, you know, do stuff. We got the K1500 putting in work. You know, hauling those big kayaks. Massive, heavy kayaks. Do a thumbnail post.